Sit back, relax, grab a drink, and enjoy today's vlog. I am doing kind of a mixture little vlog. You'll see a Pinch Me box that I opened, and then you'll see some footage from when me and Jeff went down to his mom's house and visited, and just some random footage of me and the dog. So it's kind of a mixy match. I haven't been feeling very well. I went to the doctor's, so sorry there wasn't a video yesterday. I am working to get tomorrow's video up on time. Excited about that. I have so many good clothes to try on, and so I'm going to do my best to get everything out on time and on schedule, but just know that things might be a little wonky next week too, but things will be coming, and so definitely I appreciate all your guys' support and your patience with me during this time of not feeling 100%. With all of that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here's the tea. I've actually used Pinch Me before. It's an awesome way to get free samples that are based on you. You pay nothing. All you have to do is complete a survey for whatever item you receive. That's it. You first sign up for Pinch Me to answer some questions, and then that way they'll be able to cater what brands, you know, will work for you to try. Go ahead and see what they sent. In the past, I've gotten things such as dog food, dog treats. I even got, what are those, the greenies? I got those, which are kind of expensive. I don't know, I feel like this is a service that anyone could use, and it's free, so really, what do you have to lose? Let's see what we got in here. Okay, Pure Clay Mask from L'Oreal. It's Detox and Brighten. I'm interested to try this. I've heard a lot of good things about like clay masks like these. Ooh, Ricola. Like, this is actually kind of a nice thing, because I'm going to keep this in my purse, because whenever you have a sore throat, I feel like you don't have one of these, and that's when you really want one. So this is going to go in my purse for sure. Ooh, Ghirardelli Dark Chocolate Sea Salt Caramel. Jeff's probably going to want this one because he loves his chocolate. Ooh. Oh, that is nice, because my toes sometimes... Okay, so these are like little Band-Aids. They're like a complete solution for blister. They're from the brand Compeed. And you can put it, keep it in place for wherever you need, like behind your heel, your toe. There's a couple different sizes in here, it looks like. There's mixed sizes, 3 different sizes here. So, Native Deodorant. I've actually used this before, and it does smell really nice. It's a coconut vanilla smell. Really, really nice smell. So, yeah. I'm excited that I have that, because that's kind of nice. Like, I might actually leave that one in my purse too. I'm gonna have like a whole little beauty kit in there. What else? A Deep Moisture Max Avocado Argan Oil and Manoi oil. Wow. What is this? Is this for your... Oh, it's for your hair. Actually, this is perfect timing, because I did just color my hair, and I feel like this is the time. I've never actually used a moisture max on my hair, but like I said, since I did just color it, this is probably the perfect time to try. Ooh, so excited about this. I've actually been wanting to try this Aquaphor Lip Repair. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited to try this, because I've heard it's really good for chapped lips. And what's our last item in here? SPF. Oh my gosh, it's the Drunk Elephant brand. That is too funny, because literally just the other day during my live video, one of my subscribers, I'm sorry, I forgot who said it, but someone said and was asking if I've ever tried the Drunk Elephant brand, and I have not. Now I will be able to try it, so I'm really excited to try this. Now let's jump in to the rest of this weekly vlog. Do you guys love each other? Kisses and kisses. Not me. Oh, jeez. I got a wild animals attacking me now. We got little Miss Georgia in her new harness. And Gussie. Come on, Gussie. See. Gussie gets to run free because he listens. She does not yet. For now. You look like a cute little princess, honey. But yeah. Here we are. Yeah. I just thought it was a beautiful night to take a walk. It was pretty hot today, wasn't it? Yeah. Georgia. Oh my gosh. You guys are psychos.
Ah, my knees.
I missed most of the horsey ride. Oh, she wants to go for a ride on the chair again.
You wanna go for a ride on the chair? We gotta use this chair.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep those prices rolling. We're over at Jeff's mom's house. She's babysitting little Zoe, and Jeff is giving her a personal carnival ride tour, basically. And little Rex, come here, Rex. Hi, Rex. That's her little pup.
Look.
What do you see?
Upstairs.
What do you see? Show me.
Connie.
Oh, you found the candy, huh?
Yeah.
You know whose candy that is?
I eat Connie.
You eat candy.
You eat candy.
But you know whose candy this is? It's Sharon's.
Soon.
Yeah, you have to ask her if she could share with you.
Oh, I don't know. She'll eat the candy.
Who likes candy?
Me?
Connie.
She spotted your candy and she goes, candy.
I like Connie.
Was that yummy? Mmm. This is actual footage of every morning. Georgia whining at Gus to wake up and play with her. And Gus not caring at all. Oh, yeah. Georgia, come here. No, wrong way, you nerd. Come this way. There we go. Okay. Mommy loves you. Thank you for watching the video. And so last video's movie quote was from Cinderella. And this week's movie quote is going to be, hey, if I were as rich as you, I could afford some manners. Comment below if you know where that's from.